It's a beautiful Monday morning, and you know what time it is. Laughing to the bank. Nah, I'm going to, it's a maintenance day. So I just got my 150, 140 for my hair. I'm gonna be getting some braids today. And now your girl's got to go to the beauty supply store because, of course, I don't know, something told me last night to confirm with my
Turn right, then turn left.
My current hair.
Turn left toward West Waterden Road.
Because last time
Head west.
my hair was lighter.
Turn right, then turn left.
Because it was freshly toned as well, so
turn left toward West Waterden Road.
So we are headed to the beauty supply store. Unfortunately, I literally can't find one that opens at a reasonable time. They're all open at 10 a.m. My hair appointment was originally at 8 a.m. and now it is at 9 a.m. so she can get her babies to school.
In 150 feet at the traffic circle, take the first exit.
So good morning. I wish my mother was alive to see this. She would pass out. This is a beauty supply store. They got Mika K makeup. Oh my god. Okay, I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. I'm in heaven. Okay. Got the goodies. First stop. I'll do a little haul real quick. This was all $40.18. I only brought $40 with me, so she covered the 18 cents, but I got some oil sheen spray. It's cool. Leave-in conditioner. And then 4 packages of the SM30-27 by Rua. This is the type that my lady prefers. So now we're headed to her house. Wait a second. I really be on some bullshit sometimes, y'all. Okay. I'm finally getting here, okay? Lord have mercy on my soul. Oh, I saw her husband, now he's like confused as to who I am. He's like, who's that woman waving at me? Good. I got my hot tea, got my cash, got my hair. his ear to him. Already dealing with so much anger and his heart towards his father. So seriously, I just need some prayer support. There is just nothing like having a fresh set of braids done, y'all. And I did so good on my color match. I hope I have that video clip of the color that I got, because I'm gonna have to go back and literally get that same color, because now I'm not in the same predicament of where I'm like feeling forced to color my hair. Here's where I made a mistake. Number one, I'm running low on calories. All I had was a protein bar hours ago, so I have a headache. I need to go to an ATM because I was actually $20 short. For some reason, in my head, I thought I was going to pull out $160, and that would have given me all the money I needed for today, but I guess I only pulled out $140. And I think what I didn't account for was having to stop at the hair supply store, which I didn't initially think I was gonna have to do. So we're headed to an ATM, and then we're gonna get a bite to eat, because the bitch is hungry. And I need some petrol, I need gas, I need food, and I need money. Let's go. Now it's time to do the most ghetto shit I have to do ever. Just get fucking gas. It's like, bitch, this shit is so trashy. That's one of the biggest reasons I belong in a relationship, is because I'm just really not one of those bitches who's good at going to take care of this stuff. But I do have a gift card left over, so. There's $24 on there. Okay, let me go inside. I figured it was gonna be that. So I got to at least use 20, I think there's 25 bucks left on the card. So I used 20, I wasn't 100% sure on the full balance, so I just told her 20 on the pump, but I really just needed to refill the gas I used today, not fill up the tank. So now I'm headed to the dispensary. We're going to Green Solution, go get me an ounce, and move on with my life. Okay. I think at the beginning of this vlog, I was like, it's gonna be a maintenance day. Bitch, no, it's not. I haven't had braids in so long. My hair is so tight. Like, I've got a headache. I need to get food, but I just picked up an ounce of this Breath Mint hybrid. So, I luckily already have a joint rolled. So really, I just need to find some food and a place to eat. I'm pretty deep in the city right now because I'm in Aurora. So there's not any place around here where I can just go to like smoke and chill. I have to go back home, so to speak, because there's just no opportunities for greatness here. All right, that's secured. This doesn't make sense. These fries are hitting. Baby, I'm not gonna make it to no park. I better just head my little ass on home.